All right, you guys, let's get some homework help with rotation number 5. I have an old version of the homework here, so it's got some additional questions on it that you will not see. That top question is an oldie. We actually start with this one right here. All right, so you're given the light rigid rod. The fact that it's light means we're not going to worry about the mass of it because they don't give us any information. Right? They give you the masses at the ends. You can see that it's the radius is half the length of the rod, and you're asked to find the angular momentum of the system. So pretty straightforward here. You consider these a point mass. You're going to use the formula for point masses, which is not I omega. It is MVR. And yeah, you can either do it, where you combine the masses, because let's face it, they're both going in the same direction, so they're going to have the same angular momentum. So you could do 7, or whatever your mass is, times the velocity, times the radius, or you could do them independently and then add them up. Now, in terms of the direction, since you have so many chances, it doesn't take, a whole lot of figuring out that you can just click away until you get what you need. However, I would take that opportunity once you get your answer is to practice the right-hand rule and see that it actually matches. And let me know if you are struggling with that. Okay? Now, the second one, you are just given a uniform sphere. And put that one over here. Again, there's an oldie. We don't have that one. We've got a solid uniform sphere. You're given the radius. You're given the mass. This is a really straightforward question. I really hope that you don't need help with this one. I'm not going to lie. MVR is what we're looking for. I omega, because it is a solid sphere. So you need the inertia for a sphere, which is 2/5 mr squared. You know the mass. You know the mass. You know the radius. And then it tells you the angular speed. So that should be a pretty quick plug and chug. So hopefully that was enough. Let me know if you need more help than that.